Now, we return to the button's default state and move on to transitions. Under no circumstances should transitions be applied to all properties, a common mistake made by various developers. In our case, we focus on the background color. Let's keep it at 200, for example. Next, we address sizes. Here we see that the medium button size has a certain radius recorded by the combo class, so we can remove the primary blue combo class. We add size, check what was overwritten, and remove it if unnecessary. Okay, everything else should be kept as these are the standard button sizes, but if the project requires all this can be overwritten, no problem. We also remove size LE and size XL radius. We add primary blue again. Size M looks great. The hovers work. The buttons have the correct radius. Take a look at primary default. We'll also name it primary blue. Check what we need. Here we have secondary. We'll also keep secondary. We don't need outline. We don't need ghost. We don't need tertiary. We keep customize. Make a second primary dark button. Here we simply change the values to what we need. Add the primary dark combo class. Check what color is used here. It's black, so we make it black. We have TheSprkl Black 100 color recorded. On hover, it will likely be something. Again, we'll just do this. Copy and paste it here. Excellent. Delete this. Duplicate the button 4 times. Add size M, size L, size XL. Oh, by the way, this can be removed. Okay, there are buttons with primary blue, primary dark, and we also have secondary. Now on secondary. Also overwrite everything. Remove hover right away. No. Okay, we'll keep that. Normal state. Secondary? Okay. What do we need to do there? It's just an outline, likely black 100. Do the same. Make a transparent background in black 100 color. Add a radius here. Done. Now make a hover. Black 100. Text white. Take a look at pressed. It's left from TheSprkl. Delete it. The focus is recorded in the parent class. Excellent.